let's see how to use Thesaurus in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the Thesaurus is a feature that is added in Microsoft Word where you can see a list of synonyms as well as antonyms for a selected word. And just to show what that looks like and how to access that, first highlight the word that you want to look for a synonym or an antonym for. Let's say we want to look for a synonym for an example. Now that we've highlighted that word, let's head on over to the review tab and you should be able to see the thesaurus right here under the proofing section. Now when you click on that, this one will pop up at the right side of your screen where it will show the synonyms for that word. I hope this helped and I will see you soon.